Hi student, today we are going to discuss this that GCE Ord Level 2025 Sri Lankan. Okay, very important chapter. Discuss this that geometry, midpoint theorem, parallelogram, and control everything included with exercises. Sum. Now he gave that PQRS parallelogram that diagonal intersect at O. So that PQ midpoint L. So LO join LO midpoint T, right? So PT produce this intersect Y. First he needs to PT equal TY. What? PT equal TY. How to do this? I think PT equal TY means your midpoint converse theorem you can use. First, you know that this whole triangle you can select. PQR triangle is a midpoint. This is a key point parallelogram diagonal bisect. No, then you can first write PO equal OR. First, PO equal OR. Reason parallelogram diagonal bisect. Diagonal bisect. That's the first one. Then you can select that PQR triangle. You know, actually PL equal LQ we gave data. PO equal OR already you proved. Then you can write that midpoint theorem. Triangle to two side midpoint join line parallel to remaining side. Then you can write OL parallel QR midpoint theorem. Right. So that parallel. Now we need to PT and DY. Then you can select PQY triangle. PQY triangle select. We know PL equal LQ data. PL equal LQ is a data. Right. So then now we have prove that yeah, you are LT parallel, that LT parallel QY, that whole thing. Then you can write PT equal to TY midpoint converse theorem. PT equal TY midpoint converse theorem. That okay. Right. So that we are going to raise this. So second part, PLYO, that parallelogram. We know what is the properties, quadrilateral convert to parallelogram, diagonal bisect is a parallelogram. Then the quadrilateral pair of side equal and parallelogram. Quadrilateral opposite angles equal parallelogram and quadrilateral opposite sides equal parallelogram. This is a diagonal bisect, right? So that PLYO, that quadrilateral. Then we already move PT equal TY, that diagonal, that proof. So he gave LT equal TO. This is a gave. This is a data. Then you can write PLYO, that a parallelogram. PLYO, that parallelogram. Because then you can write quadrilateral. This is clear writing. Quadrilateral diagonal bisect this parallel. quadrature. Right. That part also okay. So for LT equal QR. For LT equal QR. Right. So how to do this? We know this all now used by that what uh, midpoint conversion. This is a diagonal bisector that this is a simple A, that should be simple A. Then you select that triangle selection. This is a midpoint. Okay, that midpoint is a parallel. This is a half away. This is a twice that. This is a two-way. So that's also A. This is a two-way. So holes in OA, that's the A. Answer should be come. Okay. Then you select PQR. Yeah, PQ. What that? PLY. That's why. Right. Then you can write PQ. PQY triangle. PQY triangle. PL equal LQ. LQ. Then this is data PT equal T TY prove. PT equal TY. That prove this is data. So then you can write LT equal half QY because midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. The meaning LT that A QY to A. LT equal A, that's why so QY equal to A. So same way PYR triangle use midpoint theorem that TO equal A, no? Then YR equal to A. Okay. Then we can write what is LT? LT equal A. What is the QR? 2A addition to A, that should be 4A. So that divide that LT over QR equal A over 4A. That cancel. 4 LT, not hard, this is a method follow, equal QR. Now this is a complete sum. This how to do this method understanding, please follow my all this videos. Okay, I explain this all thing important chapters in your GCE Ord Level exam, this whole chapters. Okay, please follow. Thanks so much watch my video. If you need to classes, please contact and revision everything. That my telephone number, this note 718005772. My name Hema of Englishmedium. Channel YouTube. Maths expert. If you like this subscribe channel, all this London syllabus, everything I uploaded one by one. So thanks so much watch my video. Thanks so much.